Well, the allegations surround the Connecticut Mental Health Center in New Haven. It's a 20-bed inpatient psychiatric facility run by the State Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services. A multi-year investigation of the Connecticut Mental Health Center by Disability Rights Connecticut shined a spotlight on operations at the facility.
The crux of what we found was abuse and neglect of a variety of issues.
The 36-page report highlights several findings, including a failure to ensure safety, protect from sexual abuse, use restraint and seclusion appropriately, and provide adequate treatment and a rodent-free environment.
These are patients just like our family members.
Specific examples cite a 25-year-old woman being sexually assaulted by 2 male patients, a man being restrained or isolated 36 times in a 32-week period, and 25 mice caught in just one weekend. Disability Rights Connecticut claims the findings are systemic.
We have concerns that they are impacting lots of other people.
The State Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services disagrees, saying the report cites isolated events that have since been remedied.
Connecticut cannot have another patient abuse scandal.
State Senator Heather Summers knows a little something about Connecticut's mental health system. She led a reform effort in the wake of a patient abuse scandal at Whiting Forensics, another state-run facility.
This is another stain on the state of Connecticut as far as its mental health delivery. No patient should have to endure any type of abuse that's written in those records.
DEMAS officials contest the report is inaccurate, saying the agency has numerous concerns with DRCT's findings.
People suffering from mental health issues are extremely vulnerable, and we have to make sure that our most vulnerable are protected.
DEMAS is in charge of 500 psychiatric beds across the state. Advocates argue there's a lack of accountability, transparency, and oversight. DEMAS says their facilities are all accredited and that the care of their patients is their paramount concern. In the studio, Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.